Hey bro, what up? Hey, listen, I'm doing this video to go over a couple things with you regarding your site. I know you're real busy, and I didn't want to text you. I want you to watch this when you're at home. Um, this is uh, a copy or a preview of Mr. Clean Pool Service, the backlinks that I've done for you. I've done a bunch, as you can see, the rating, and all this stuff doesn't mean anything to you, but this is the work I've done for Mr. Clean. We've got you to, this is the, if you search pool cleaning services in Avondale, Arizona, these are ads. So these people really aren't supposed to be here organically. This is the first one that's organic. Crazy, Larry's, Universal, Aqua, and PS, and then there's Mr. Clean. Okay. Now you got to understand something. You're 1, 2, 3, 4, you're 5 from the top. And I mean, we just blew through all of these people here. I mean, look at there's, I don't know how many pages of pool cleaning people. There's 7. Let me see, is there more than 7? Just gonna give you a preview of this. No, there's only 7. So you're on the first page on the top 5, and it just takes a lot of work for me to do this for you. Initially, I did Chandler pool cleaning because we're in Chandler, and you paid for that. You paid, I don't know, like $1,300, and I did a lot of work for that. And then you switched back. You moved to Mr. Clean. I mean to to Avondale. And I built this one basically for free for you because of because you were doing well, and you moved, for whatever reason, and so I built this one for you. I bought the domain. I did all this for you for free. Um, you didn't pay for this one. You paid for Chandler, and I'm cool with that. I'm not gonna back charge you, but I do wanna get paid for what I'm doing for you now. You're doing good. Right now, I'm getting for this site right here in Camarillo, I get $900 a month to maintain this one, and it's pretty nice. And I built it for a long time. Um, but I'm not going to charge you $900 a month. In order for me to keep doing what I'm doing for you, to keep this going, to keep you up here, and you don't disappear to the abyss down here to page 7, it's going to cost you about $450 a month. I'll just charge you half of that. A lot of not a lot. Some of the money goes to, it's not all profit. Like right now, I'm spending for backlinking. I know you're paying 75, but I pay about 350 for the backlinks. But I add other sites to those backlinks. So I reinvest back into the websites to make sure that they don't lose their position and that they stay strong. Again, I think it's a fair deal, and I want to keep doing this for you. I want you to not lose placement from where you're at, because what's going to happen if we stop doing this is you will disappear. And that's what happens when you don't update them. I do posts, I do backlinks, I do a lot of stuff. So if it makes sense, great. We can start October 1st. If you don't think it's something you want to do, then I'm fine with that too. I just won't work on it anymore. So let me know what you want to do, brother. Okay. Hope all is well. I know you're busy, and I'm happy for you. And I was just thinking about the time when you were hanging door hangers, going door to door and asking me to do stuff so you can get busy. What else can I do, Joe? What else can I do? And I did a lot of stuff. And you're getting calls on the stuff I did 6 months ago. And I was a little upset that you sent me those text messages because 7, 8 months ago, you were like, what can I do? What can I do? And then now, hey, stop doing what you're doing. So uh, I'm not obviously not going to do any more coupons. You don't need any more specials or nothing. But I did a lot of stuff, and I'm glad you're doing well. Do the math. I think the website, my site, and my Google, my business that I created, and the stuff that I've done has brought you, a few accounts. I think it justifies the cost. So anyway, let me know what you think. Shoot me a text if you wanna. If you wanna do it, great. If not, again, I'm okay with it too, brother. Okay, talk to you. Bye.